What is up, you guys? It's your girl Shanelle.janai from around the way, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all the details of this wig that I'm wearing right now. I decided to give an orange color a chance. Let me know what you guys think. This wig is by Freetress, ultimately. It's another equal wig. I believe that I've done a few Freetress equal wigs. It says V-shape, Delux, lace front wig, all details, just explaining what kind of wig we are working with today. And I'm gonna turn this over on this side so you can see. This is the color that I have right now, and the color you see where it says SOP 23415. That is the description of the orange color here that I have worn today. And you can also see other colors that are options. I actually wanted to try this one. It's glue, y'all. But yes, I wanted to try this white one, but they didn't have that color at my local beauty supply store. I think that covers everything. I don't want to take too long. I just am really excited to get ready to the video. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so before I cut off the lace, I'm going to perfect this hairline. Right now you can see that the hairline is very straight and it just needs to be a little bit more thinner in the front. So I pretty much explained this in previous videos, so I'm not gonna spend too much time on it. But what I do is take a section of hair from the front and I pluck or pull. In my case, I don't really use tweezers to pluck, but I pull hair from the inside. And what this will do is make the hairline look more natural. Definitely take your time with this and don't rush. You don't want bald spots. But if you do have bald spots, that can be fixed too. And I do have that in a video. So feel free to click the link right above me right now, and you will see in that video how I covered up a bald spot when I plucked too much hair. Another thing to be careful with these synthetic wigs is when you're pulling the hair, it can be very stubborn and hard to pull, so don't force it and be very careful pulling it, because you don't want to pull it so hard that the lace rips with the hair. That can happen. I want you to see real quick the difference that it's making. You see how since I started plucking, it looks more natural and it's like a thin section, as opposed to how it looks right here and it's just straight up thick hair. This is what we're trying to achieve. And you can see that they do have some baby hair already cut for us. So that's great. We'll have less work to do, but we still want to go ahead and pluck what we're going to pluck, because look at how much better this is going to look. And then we're just going to put makeup to cover up the knots, and this is going to be beautiful. I'm going to do the same thing on the sides, of course. And it's not a lot of lace to work with, of course. So we have to be mindful of that too. It's not a whole bunch of lace to work with. And last but not least, this side over here. So this is all the hair that I plucked. Alright, so now that I have plucked what I'm going to pluck, now I'm going to cut the lace off. Now I'm going to do the baby hair, and to lay my edges down I'm going to be using Oh Reliable Got to Be Glued gel. Baby hair can take so long to do, ladies, y'all know. I just took, look at this. Ugh. Per usual, I'm gonna let my hair be tied down for a while so that the edges can lay, and I will show you the finished result. So the part is already good, but I'm still going to just touch on it a little bit. And then I'm going to take this NYX bronzer that is like in my skin tone, basically. I could have got a shade lighter to this, but I'm just going to go in and touch on these dark spots, the dots here that we want to cover up, so that we have a more natural look right here. Okay, you guys, so I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you also enjoyed this look. Be sure to leave any comments down below and give this video a thumbs up. I'll appreciate that so much. It lets me know that you guys are interested in me doing these videos. Also, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Show me some love, show me some support, okay? Alright? Okay? And I will see you guys next week with another video. Bye guys.